Authorization Matrix. Let's have a look at the Authorization Matrix. You can find this setting under Expenses in the Settings group. On the landing page grid, you will have the module name, hierarchy type, project category, added and updated by user names, then the created and updated date. Finally the Actions column with View and Edit. Click on the Add button on the top right corner. This here is the Define Authorization Matrix page. Here you can select the module between Expenditure, Invoices, and Collections. Then add the expense type from the drop-down. If the expense type you want is not available, you add a new type from here by clicking on the New Expense Type button on the right. Then choose the project category from the drop-down. Next, choose the type of hierarchy. It can either be a project hierarchy, organization hierarchy, or both. If you choose the type as project hierarchy, based on the project hierarchy we set for the chosen category, you will have the number of levels as to the number of levels you added in the project hierarchy. Against each level, you can choose the designations that you chose in the project hierarchy from a drop-down. Based on the levels you give for the designations, the approval will be sent to the users. Also, you will be asked to choose up to what level you want the approval to be defined. If you choose organizational, you will get a different drop-down for choosing up to what level you want the organization hierarchy approval to be defined. For instance, if you choose one level up, the approval will go to your immediate reporting manager. Likewise, you can set up to 5 levels. If you choose either project or organizational hierarchy, you will have the option to give viewing rights based on the other option. If you choose the hierarchy type as both, you will get the options to choose the levels as per both project hierarchy and organizational hierarchy. Next, you will be asked to set the approval condition. That is to choose between and or. As in, if you choose and, the approval will go to all the chosen levels. If you choose or, users from either levels can approve and the approval would get stopped with the invoice or expense being approved. Finally, enter the effective from date and submit it. You will be redirected to the landing page. You can view and also edit the entries. Here, once an entry is updated by editing it, the name of the user making the changes will be shown in the Updated By column along with the date. Once updated, the Edit button will disappear for that particular entry. A new entry with the same data will be made. Here the name of the user who made the changes will be mentioned in the Created By column, along with the date of creation, which will be the same date as to the updated date of the old entry, and this line item will have the Edit option. This is to capture and track all updations. Thus with this we have completed the Authorization Matrix.